DDBrix was fun, and we had really good examples of DDMRP in our hands. It kept us entertained, and plus it was great because it really explained how the process works. My name is Justin Cantrell. I am the Production Inventory Control Manager here at Legrand Testimonial in North Carolina. DDBrix was fun. Normally in like a 3-day-long meeting, I'd probably fall asleep. But because it was so energetic, and we had really good examples of DDMRP in our hands, it kept us entertained, and plus it was great because it really explained how the process works, and we got to literally put it in motion, and it's one of the few times you get to play with toys at work. It's truly great. DDMRP is very impressive. It is an encapsulated system that really covers almost the end-to-end for planning. It really demonstrates, what levels you can separate from. The decoupling feature allows you to have a little bit more control over your inventory and overall your net inventory dollars. And it's explained and visualized in a way that's easy to understand. Most of the complicated statistics that are normally inside of making these decisions aren't really relevant. They're pretty simple formulas that most planners or anyone in the planning industry could understand or associate with. And the end result is a very positive presentation of where your inventory position is and where it can be and what you can do to control it from being overstated.